Today we will perform test for hardness. We have two samples with us. Sample 1 that includes temporary and permanent hardness, and we have sample 2 which after boiling, that is after removing temporary hardness. Okay, so now we are going to do our hardness test, which now we will do our first part of the hardness test, that is determining total hardness of a sample. We will first take a 50 ml sample in a measuring cylinder, pour it into 250 ml conical flask. Now we will add 2 ml of ammonium buffer with the help of micropipette. After adding a buffer solution, we will first shake the conical flask for proper mixing. Now we will add our Erichrome black tea, which is the indicator for total hardness. We'll just add a pinch into the conical flask. Now after adding, you can see the initial color is wine red. Now we will titrate it with EDTA having a normality of n/50. We have to add dropwise slowly so that we can see the change in color. The endpoint of this experiment will be a blue color. Now you can see the color has changed to blue color. What is the reading?
18.6.
18.6.
Okay.
Now we will do the second part of our test, which is determining calcium hardness. Again we will take 50 ml sample into the conical flask with the help of measuring cylinder. In the conical flask we will now add 2 ml of 1N NaOH. NaOH having 1 normality with the help of micropipette. Now we will add Murex red indicator, a pinch of this indicator, Now after shaking, you can see the initial color is pink. Now we will titrate it with EDTA N by 50. Same titrate we will use for both total hardness and calcium hardness. The difference is only the indicators and the buffer solutions. So this is the end point of calcium hardness, that is purple color.